Hey, what's up, guys? I want to just do an unboxing of the Sunex 937 piece hex bit socket set. Model number right there. 937HM. I don't know if you guys can see this. It is made in Taiwan. Does come with a lifetime warranty right there. So it comes with a aluminum rail caps. Actually, it's not bad. It's actually pretty nice. So you got some mounting holes, so you can mount it in your on something. Or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some small magnets. I'm gonna fill this in and epoxy seal it, and then that way it'll just I'll just be able to put them into my toolbox. Right. Retention is pretty good. Oh, actually, okay, so there's a ball, a spring-loaded ball over there to keep them in place. Not bad. Let's take a look. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me focus in on it. Yep, there it goes. So this part looks like it's just printed, painted on. It does have a stamp, say H4. This is a metric set. Yeah, that's not gonna last too long, but they do have a stamp on there. Not bad. Let's see. So this set comes, the bits are finished in a zinc phosphate to protect against corrosion. 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 7mm, 8mm, 9mm, and a 10mm. Okay, these are 3/8 drive. That's really basically it. I haven't used them, so I can't tell you the durability. What I will say is that I have a nice expensive snap-on set, which I find them to be garbage. I have some hex bits from Bondhouse, and they are really good So Sunex stuff is usually pretty decent, and for the price it's not bad at all. So just wanted to show you guys this, and I think they could go on Amazon for like maybe 20 to 30 bucks. I put a link in the Amazon for this set. Okay, later guys, bye.